The new Hobart Legacy series of mixers includes the hl300 30-quart mixer and the hl400 40-quart mixer. Each model features 3 mixing speeds, as well as a stir speed for use when adding new ingredients at the start of a mixing process. And each has a smart timer system for precise control of mixing speeds and times. To prepare for mixing, fully lower the bowl support and position the bowl so the alignment pin on the support fits into the hole in the bowl tab. Place the slotted tab on the bowl into the lower part of the pin, then lower the bowl onto the support and swing it into the locked position. After pouring your ingredients into the bowl, place the agitator inside the bowl and align the horizontal slot on the agitator with the agitator shaft pin. Slide the agitator up the shaft until you hear it click into lock position. Warning: moving agitator in bowl. Keep hands, clothing, and utensils out while in operation. Do not use without interlock guard. Close the bowl guard cage and push down the bowl lift handle until the handle is locked and the bowl is in the mixing position. 20-quart bowls and agitators also are available for the 30-quart Legacy mixer, and 20 and 30-quart bowls and agitators are available for the 40-quart Legacy mixer. Legacy mixers offer 3 mixing speeds. They include a low speed for heavy mixtures like pizza dough or heavy batters, a medium speed for cake batters, mashed potatoes, and similar products, and a high speed for aerating light batches or finishing whipped items. There is also a slower stir speed setting for incorporating ingredients at the start of a mixing step. To mix continuously, turn the speed dial to select your mixing speed, and turn the time selector counterclockwise until hold appears in the time window. Press the start button to begin mixing. The timer starts counting forward from 0 minutes and 0 seconds. If the wire bowl guard cage is opened at any time during the mixing, the mixer will stop. If this happens, close the cage and press start to resume. The mixer speed can be changed at any time during mixer operation. In the continuous mixing mode, after the timer reaches 15 minutes on the hl300 mixer or 20 minutes on the hl400 mixer, it will reset to 1 second and continue counting. Use the stop button to stop the mixer. The total mixing time will be displayed. To resume mixing, if necessary, just press start. To mix for a specific length of time in the countdown mode, set the speed with the speed selector dial and the mixing time with the time selector dial. Then press start. Mixing will begin and the timer will start counting down. When the timer reaches 0, the mixer will stop and a beep will sound. If you change the time setting during operation, the mixer will operate until the new time expires. If the speed is changed during mixing, the timer will change to the time last selected for that speed and count down. The time can then be changed if necessary. If your hl300 30-quart mixer is equipped with a programmable recipe timer, up to 4 recipes can be programmed. Each recipe can have up to 5 steps, and each step can be up to 15 minutes long. With an hl400 40-quart mixer, up to 6 recipes can be programmed, each with up to 6 steps, and each step can be up to 20 minutes long. To unload the mixer, lift the lift handle slowly to lower the bowl support. Unlock the bowl and swing it out slightly. Open the bowl guard wire cage assembly by rotating it to your left. Then remove the agitator from the shaft and remove the bowl from the bowl support. Warning: disconnect the electrical power to the machine and follow lockout-tagout procedures. The wire cage should be cleaned frequently. Remove it by rotating it to your left until the 3 carriers align with the escape slots. Lift the cage straight up until the carriers are out of the slots and pull the cage toward you. Wash the cage in a sink, rinse it with clear water, and dry it with a clean cloth. Reinstall the cage by positioning it with the carriers above the slots. lowering it so the carriers pass through the slots, and rotating the cage to your right to the closed position. New mixer bowls and accessories should be cleaned before use by washing with hot water and a mild soap solution, rinsed with a mild soda or vinegar solution, and rinsed again with clear water. The mixer should be thoroughly washed daily with a clean, damp cloth. The drip cup, held by 3 screws, should also be removed periodically and wiped clean. Warning: disconnect the electrical power to the machine and follow lockout-tagout procedures. From time to time, bowl pad areas and slideways also should be lubricated. Fully lower the bowl support and wipe them with a thin coat of Lubriplate 630AA. Occasionally, the planetary seal may become dry and start to squeak. To silence it, wipe a little mineral oil under the lip of the seal. The agitator clearance should be checked periodically. The agitator must not touch the bowl, and there should be ample clearance, about 1/8 of an inch for the B-flat beater. To adjust, loosen the 2 locking nuts and turn the stop screw clockwise to increase the clearance or counterclockwise to decrease it. Then tighten the locking nuts while holding the stop screw. For additional details on the installation, operation, cleaning, maintenance,